Hi and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 116D M Sport 3-door hatch. It's presented in mineral grey, features the Y&C body enhancement kit with some nice options and features. As always, if you'd like to know more, there will be the links left in the description box. However, we are going to cover plenty about this lovely Shadow Edition 3-door M Sport hatch. It has got the original Shadow Edition 18-inch alloys in high gloss black. We add the splitter, grills, side sill extensions, side vinyls and Y&C M Performance decals. As part of the Shadow Edition, you do get the M Plus pack, so that gives you the Plus brakes, rear privacy glass and the Harman Kardon. Another two features we've added are the rear diffuser and rear spoiler, you can see there. For the Shadow Edition vehicles, you do also get slightly darker rear lights. The 1 Series certainly is a more than practical hatchback, giving you plenty of boot space and interior space to match. This one is very, very nice and clean and tidy, and a well looked after vehicle. And if we just have a quick look inside the car, you'll be able to see that this one has got the M Highlight leather. It has also got a heated seat option. Got your Harman Kardon audio there. In the back, you'll find the 3-seat Isofix rear bench. This one happens to be a 6-speed manual, and I have said it before and I'll continue to do so. Whether you go for an auto or a manual 1 Series, it really does not make any difference. It's going to come down to personal preference. They're both fantastic setups for these cars. Inside, you've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, so you've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. This car has covered just over 69,000 miles. You've got sat nav, telephone audio via Bluetooth along with DAB and USB line in. You've got single auto climate system. As I mentioned, the front seats are heated. This car has got extensive service history, all there with BMW. So it's a well looked after, well presented example of the 3-door 1 Series hatchback. For further details, please do use the links I'll leave in the description box. Thanks a lot, goodbye.